Planking is a great workout for working out multiple muscle groups at once, reducing body fat, and increasing energy. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize the plank and whether it's risky to do so. I'll also go over correct plank technique and safety concerns. So, stay tuned to the end of the video, it'll be entertaining. Let's get started. Plank is a multi-purpose exercise performed on the floor in a fixed static position. The traditional plank is one of the most efficient exercises for toning the body and removing abdominal fat while also pumping up the buttocks. What are the advantages of performing planks for your health? One of the best core workouts is planks. It's debatable whether a six-pack can be achieved just through planks. Although the chances are tiny and the number of planking required would be absurd, incorporating a plank as part of a diverse program has shown to offer significant benefits. Planks will help you stand taller. Planks can help you improve your posture, which is beneficial for a variety of reasons. Proper weight distribution, which can affect everything from major exercise routines to tiny movements like bending down, might cause problems if you don't have good posture. Back discomfort can be relieved by doing planks. This advantage is owed in part to planks' improved posture, but the significance of the plank's potential to reduce back discomfort warrants its own section. The plank not only prevents specific types of back discomfort, but it also improves the overall health of the back. Simply improving one's posture helps to align the vertebrae, relieving needless stress in the spinal region. The plank not only prevents specific types of back discomfort, but it also improves the overall health of the back. You'll improve your coordination. One of the best benefits of planking is its capacity to help you train your muscles to be more stable, rather than actual muscular gain. The body's core muscles assist in maintaining equilibrium. When you're running, riding, or exercising in any way, or when you're doing vigorous leisure activities like dancing, this is clear. Many people believe that their extremities are responsible for their balance, and while they are to some extent, your core is responsible for the majority of your stabilization. Your metabolism will be boosted by planking. When done on a daily basis, planking burns more calories than other core exercises such as sit-ups. Planks, moreover, serve to strengthen large muscle groups in your body. Strong muscles allow you to burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Planks are especially important for persons who work in offices or other jobs that aren't really active. You will be able to burn calories more effectively and be less likely to gain weight if you have solid, strong muscles on your body. Furthermore, having strong muscles allows you to burn even more calories when you exercise, even if it's only walking to work or school in the morning. This also means you'll burn more calories while sleeping. Planks improve your flexibility. Unlike certain workouts that only enhance muscular strength, planks have a wide range of advantages, not the least of which is increased flexibility. Planks increase the flexibility of your posterior muscular groups, not just your glutes, but all of the muscle groups at the rear of your body. The muscles around your shoulders and collarbone, as well as your shoulder blades themselves, fall into this category. With repeated planking, these muscle groups will expand and stretch, which is beneficial because they are generally overlooked in standard training programs. In many yoga practices, the plank is a key posture. Yoga is an excellent kind of exercise for anyone looking to strengthen their core and increase their flexibility. You'll feel better. What? Planks can even help with your mental health? Absolutely. Planks target a number of muscle groups that are regularly stressed and knotted, and they contribute a lot to stress in the human body. knowing that your body is physically pressured may be mentally taxing. For example, if your legs are tight, you will want to put less weight on them, which may strain your back. Massage, for example, is commonly used to relieve this sort of muscular tension. Fortunately, planking can assist alleviate the physical tensions in this situation, which can help you relax. You won't have to worry about a job putting a burden on your body if you're strong enough to manage it. To summarize, the plank is a terrific, basic exercise that everyone can do and should be a part of everyone's fitness program. The plank offers a plethora of advantages, and since it works your core muscles in such a unique way, these advantages may be felt throughout your whole body. Hopefully, you can see how beneficial this workout is to you right away.